Now, the fifth sum. In a class of 60 children, 30% are girls and how many boys are there? Now, number of children 60. Out of it, 30% are girls. So, naturally, boys are 70%. What is the question? How many boys are there? So you just have to find 70%. Now total 100%, 60 students. Now 70%, how much? Cross multiplication, 70 into 60 by 100. 70 into 60 by 100. 20 gets cancelled and the number of students here 42. 7 6 are 42. So number of boys in the class. Number of the boys in the class is 42. So this is the answer. You write the answer in rectangle. Write the steps neatly to get full marks. So you have got there are 42 students in the class. Now next is in an election, two candidates A, B contested. A got 60% of vote. The total polled were 8,000. How many votes did each one get? Now whenever there are elections, there are many people who contest the election and they get certain votes, and whoever gets maximum votes they win. So let's see who is getting more. Now 8 got 60%. Total is 8,000. 8,000. So A is getting 60% and B is getting, only two people are there, A and B. So A is getting 60%. Naturally B will get 40%. Now you have to find out of 8,000, total is 8,000. 8,000. 100% is 8,000. Now A got 60%. So how much is getting? You cross multiply 60 into 8,000. 8,000 by 100. 20 gets cancelled. 8 6 are 48. And this 20 you have to write. So A, how much he gets? 4,800. A 4,800. So candidate A gets 4,800. You can either minus this 4,800 from 8,000, or you can do in this similar manner. 100% vote 8,000. So 40%, how much? 440 into 8,000. 8,000 by 100. 20 gets cancelled. 8 4s are 32. So 32 and 2 this 2 zeros, 3,200. So candidate B, how much he is getting? 3,200. So here both the candidates, you have got the answer. B gets 3,200. 3,200. So this is the total. Now if you total this vote, 0 0 8 plus 2 10, 0 0 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8,000. So that becomes 8,000. So here A gets 4,800 and B gets 3,200. Now next sum, a person saves 12%. Now sixth sum, a person, sorry, this was 6th sum, and next is 7th sum. A person saves 12% of his salary. Now whatever a person gets, they save something, they carry out expenditure of something, and whatever they do, there is a certain percentage of the amount they are spending on. So a person gets, salary is 2,500, that is 100%. 100%. Now this is 100% is 2,500. And how much is saving? 12%. 12%. So here you find out how much is 12%. You cross multiply 12 into 2,500. by 100, 0 gets cancelled, and you multiply 25 into 12. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 4 2 2s are 4, 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 0, 10, 1, 300. So how much is saving? Rupees 300. His savings are rupees 300. But what is the question? Find the expenditure. After saving, what is remaining that he spends? So expenditure is asked. Total amount is 2,500. Expenditure 300 rupees. You minus 0, 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 his expenditure is 2,200. Expenditure is 2,200. So this is the answer for 7. Now 8. Sita got 75% out of 800. She got 75% out of 800. But question is, how many marks did she lose? She lost, if she got 75%, then she lost 25%. She lost 25%. So here total is how much? 100% is how much? 800 marks. So here 25% now is how much? Cross multiplication, 25 into 800 by 100. Cancel the zeros, and now you multiply 25 into 8. 5 4s are 5 8s are 40. 4 carry, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So she lost 200 marks. She lost. So Sita lost 200 marks. Lost 200 marks. 200. This has to be done in the rough work. 200 marks. Put in rectangle the answer. Whatever you get, put in rectangle. Sita lost 200 marks. Now, 9th sum. A shop worth rupees 25,000. 25,000. So what is the worth of the shop? 25,000. Insurance is done so that in case of mishap, you get the money back. So how much is the insurance? 95%. So if any mishappening happens, how much money would you get? You would get 95% of the money. Percentage is given. You have to find out the actual amount. So 100% is how much? 2,000. 25,000 is 100%. So 95% you have to find out how much you get the insurance. So cross multiplication, 95 into 25,000 by 100. Now this 20 will get cancelled, and 95 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 9s are 45, 46, 47. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 9 2s are 18, 19. So 5, 7, 7, 13, 2, and add this 1 0. So how much is the amount he is going to get? 23750. 23750 is the amount he will get as insurance, supposing any mishappening happens. So the amount he is going to get is 23750. Amount the shopkeeper will get from him. Amount the shopkeeper will get from the insurance company. From insurance is this much. 23750. Now next sum is a class of 30 boys and 25 girls. 10th sum. 30 boys and 25 girls. Total there are 55 students in the class, out of which 30 are boys and 25 are girls. Question is, what percentage of boys in the class? What percentage? So total you have to add 30 plus 25, that is 55 students are there in the class. What is the percentage of boys? Boys are 30. Boys are 30. Now total is the 100%. So you write 100% is 55 and 30 are boys. You have to find out the percentage of boys in the class. So cross multiplication, 30 into 100 by 55. Now this 11s are 5 11s are 55, 5 20s are 100. Now what is remaining is 600 by 11. So now you divide this 600 by 11. 5s are 55, 0, 5 minus 5. So this is 50. Now 4s are 44. Remaining is 6. So you can write this as 54, 6, 11. This is the percentage of boys. So the percentage of boys in the class. So percentage of boys in the class. Boys in the class is 54. 6 by 11%. This many percent boys are present in the class. Now next 11, 3, 2 by 5 you have to represent as percent. Whenever you have to make percent, you just have to multiply by 100. So 3, 2 by 5 you have to represent in the form of percentage. You have to multiply. You have to express this as percent. Express 11 first. 11 first. Express 3, 2 by 5. 3, 2 by 5 as percentage. What you have to do? Express this as percentage. Now, whenever you have to convert into percentage, you have to multiply by 100. Before that, let us convert this mixed fraction into just fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Now this 17 by 5 you multiply by 100. 17 by 5 into 100. 5 20s are 100. 17 into 2, 7 2s are 14. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2, 3. 34. Add this 0, 340%. So now this 340 is the percent of this value. So 340 is the percent. 340% is the value in percentage. In percentage for 3 2 by 5. So this is the answer. Now next is you have to express 0.002075. 0.2075 you have to express it as percentage. So this is 11 second 0.0075. Now this you have to express in percentage, so you have to multiply by 100. Now how you go ahead is, first you remove the point. How you are going to remove the point, or just shift the point? Whenever you multiply by 100, the point has to move to right hand, and when division, left hand. So now we are multiplying. So here the points will go on the right hand side. So here is the point and 2 zeros. So 2 digits right hand side it will move 1, 2, 2. So here will be the point. So you can write 0.75%. 0.75%. When you have to express 0.0075 as percent, it becomes 0.75%. Now third one, 3:20, you have to express in percentage. So how you do? 3/20 into 100. 1 0 you cancel and you 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So this is the expression. 3:20 in percentage, it is 15%. So the answer is 15%. Next is 60 centimeter of 1 meter. Now see the smaller unit here is centimeter and the bigger is meter. You should know how to convert meter into centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. How many meter is there? 1 meter. Now in addition to 1 meter and 25 centimeter. So now this 1 meter you have converted into 100 plus this 25 centimeter. So total becomes 125 centimeter. Now this is the total. This is 100%. 125 centimeter is 100%. You have to find what percentage is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter is how much percentage? Cross multiplication 60 into 100 by 125. 25 5s are 25 4s are. Now 6 4s are 24. So here 100 is 124. 60 into 100 by 120. This is 5s. Now 5 12s are 60. So 12 4s, it is 48. So how much percentage is 60? 60, it is 48%. So here you can write 60 centimeter is 48%. 48% of 1 meter and 25 centimeter of 1 meter and 25 centimeter. So this is how you get the answer. Next is now hours and day. You know in a day there are 24 hours. 24 hours. So you have to convert 4 days into that many numbers of hours. So let us see. 1 day is equal to, now this is 11th 5th, 9 hours. 9 hours is how much percentage of 4 days. Now 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. So naturally 4 days is equal to 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 96 hours. Now this is the 96 hours. You have to find out how much is 9 hours. 9 hours in 96. So 96 is 100%. 100% is 96 hours. And you have to find out how much percentage it is of 9 hours. 9 hours. So cross multiplication 9 into 100, 900 by 96. So now you have to divide this. Make it divide by 2, 450, so 900. 2, you can take by 3, it will be easier. 300. And 3s are 9 and 2s are. Further 300 you make into half, 150. Make it into 60. 32 you half it and get 16. Further you half it, you get 8. And half of 150 is 75. Now you cannot divide further, so let us divide 75 by 8. Now 8 in the table of 8 nines are, you get 72. 5 minus 2, 3 is remaining. So here you can write 9 and 3 by 8 percent. So how much is 9 hours? 9 hours in 4 days, it is 938%. So 9 hours is 3 by 8% of 4 days. Now next is 12th sum. 12th first, it is 2% of 2 hours 30 minutes. Again, now this hours can be converted into minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 hours 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 60 into plus 60 will become 120 minutes plus 30 minutes. Now this will become 150 minutes. Now 100% is 150 minutes. You have to find out for 2%. 2 into 150 by 100. Now this 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. This 2 gets cancelled. You get the answer 3 minutes. So 2% of 2 hours 3 minutes 30 minutes is 3 minutes. That you can write the answer in the bracket. Now 12th second. This was 12th first. Now we write as 12th second. What percent of 12 kg is 725? 12th second. What percent of 12 kg is 725? 725. So now what is 100% here? 725. 100% is 725. Now here you have to find out. Now this is in grams. It has to be. Now this 12 is in kg. This has to be converted into grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore 12 kg is equal to 12,000 grams. So here this 100% is 1200 grams. It is 12,000 grams. 1 3. This many grams. You have to find out for 725. How much is the percentage? 725. How much is the percentage? So 725 into 100 by 12,000. 1 2 3. 20 gets cancelled. Now you can divide this 725 by 5. 5 in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 22 4s are 20. 5s are 25. Now 5 2s are 10. 20 is remaining 4. So here you get 145 divided by 24. So let us see how it is further division. So now here 145 you divide by 24. Now 24 6 4s are 24. 2 12 13 14 144. So this is 144. 5 minus 4 is 1 and it is 6 144. So here you can write it as 26 1 by 24. So this is the answer. So what is the What is the percentage? This many percentage. So this many percentage is of 12 kg. 12 kg which you converted into grams by multiplying 100. So this many percentage is the 725 grams. 725 grams of 12 kg. So in 12 kg, 725 gram is 6 1 by 24%. So this is the answer.